morning everybody, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative. Today I'm going to make something with country roads. I'm yet to decide whether I'm going to do something masculine or feminine. So I have painted just a couple of backgrounds. These are with our paints. These are, we actually don't have these in stock anymore, but I know a lot of you have them in your stash. Don't mind how grubby mine are. Pearl was helping me paint. So I literally just painted up a couple of backgrounds by just mixing a little bit of water and just brushing the strokes over, and then I flicked some on top. So that was that one, and this is this one. So I might use those as a background on one of my layouts. I have some photos here, and I really like this one of Jaden, but I also really love this one of Pearl. So maybe one of them. I'm not sure. A couple of cute ones of Peter as well. I like the blue in that one too. All right, let's kind of get going and then I'll know which one I want to do. Okay, so I have fussy cut out a few little bits and pieces, but not too much from the papers. I have got my creative cuts over here. In the kit this month there was this cool new laser cut, so we're able to cut wood on our laser cuts too. So some months in the kits our laser cut will be this cute wood, and you literally just pop them out. Kind of like these ones. I like the light bulb for sure. And if they don't pop out, just grab a pair of pointy scissors and just pop them out. So you can ink up the wood, you can leave it natural, you can do a number of things with it, but it's very cute. I like it. So good. Okay, just gonna put my wood aside so I know what I've got. This is a stencil, I really like this, and there was a stamp. So one of these was in the kit, one was an add-on, can't remember which, but they are, I think I might use some of that grid stamp as well. So I think I might just work on this background a bit more first, and then I can decide on which photo I'm actually going to use. Okay. So I've just got some distress sides I'm going to play with today, and I've got the hickory smoke, and I've got one of our blending brushes. Okay. So just light circular motion. So it's not the same numbers, I'll just do something in the middle. I'm going to do some of the grid stamp. I'm going to do some of the brush sage. So I'm just going to stamp it on. And I don't want to put it on a block because I just want to kind of roll like little bits of it because I don't want it blocky. Faint bits of the sagey grid. It's enough. And I might do some black. It's got some archival. And I'm going to do the Geo one. Same deal. I don't want that edge ever. So I'm just using my fingers, which is a bit grubby, I know. I should use a wipe. See how I'm just getting the, I'll go on the edge again. I just want the triangles. I flip my page. background done. So I'm just going to move all of my inky stamps out the way and my inky stencil for now, and then I will do them later. Okay, I feel like that one is definitely the right photo. We're going to cut down some of this paper. I do like the little sayings on the bottom one, so we'll keep those. Okay, I've just cut anywhere because I just want to have some little bits to layer in. Different sizes. Okay. So now I've got options. I'm going to start looking. So I've got a lighter one, a darker one, a lighter one. Now I'm just kind of creating a collage with those, and I'm going to do the same with this guy. Okay, so these I'm going to layer in as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount my photo up. Okay, so now I'm going to use my photo as a guide, and I'm going to glue these in. But before I do that, I am just going to very carefully just roll the edges of all of these pieces of paper with my fingernails just to create some height. And then they can all go back in. Okay. I'm just going to use my 450 with all my base ones down. Oh, I've just noticed something. The back of this paper is pretty awesome. What I mean about the back of this paper is pretty awesome. Did not notice that. Let's use some of that for sure. Whoops. Lifted that. Okay, so I've now glued my photo on and it's all done, and I've just started cutting up some of this is the layer cut sheet. So many cute little images in here, and I'm going to make a cute little embellishments to go in and around on this. So I've just been fussy cutting out some of these ones from the strip. I'm just going to do this. To get a nice straight line on stuff like this, use your long bladed scissors, not your short bladed scissors. That way you can cut a nice straight line. Okay, so now I've got all my little bits. I'm going to make up a, just going to look through my creative cards. Ooh, I like that little ticket, that's quite useful. Okay, I need some mounts. And I might need some of these because these are beyond cute too. Love these tickets. So I'm just going to start creating some layers. with all these little bits that I've got here. Now what I'm thinking is this layer is potentially going to go in here. So I'm building it kind of out to this side a little bit. So all I'm doing basically is finding cute little bits to layer on top of each other. So this little banner, they haven't quite centered it when they made the creative cut, so I'm just going to trim it up. Another star. Section is going to get glued in before I put the top bit on. So I'm just going to glue this in. And I think I like the star at the top. Oh, I might mount this up as well. So I've done a little one there. Just going to move all my bits down so I can see them, and I feel like I need something up the top there. I'm going to do the same kind of deal, I feel. I don't want Mr. Fix-It, but I really like the shape of that. Use one of our smaller foam mounts, but I'm going to glue it because it's on wood. Make a little something over here. Create a few more little, cute little layers over here. That sound you can hear is someone playing Pokemon nearby. One of the kids, one of the big ones, one of the little ones, who knows. I'm going to use some of these cute little words, and the really thin strips on our foam mounts are perfect for this. That's why we made them with different lengths. I feel because now I've put some of that wood at the top there in my little visual triangle. This is my visual triangle focusing on the eyes, my focal point. I need some more of the wood. Underneath. Very cute. So now we've got the wood element in all three spots, which makes me happy. Just going to take a look at the little pieces I fussy cut, see if there's anything cute I want to put in. Yes, there was some cute little stars. I like those. Sorry, I got distracted. I feel like this is actually going to be my title. I'm not going to put another title on here. I'm just going to go with this. These stars. Just pop around the place, I think. All right, I think I'm done. So that's it, all the layers, all my bits, all my mess. I think I have finished this particular layer, and I might come back and do something with the cute little picture of Pearl and see if I can come up with a sweet little feminine layout using this collection too. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this collection. Not a flower in sight. It's really cute, and we do try to mix things up every 3 months. We do a feminine, masculine or neutral collection. So there's always something for everyone in our kits and in our collection. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, it's Tracey. Bye.